Hey everyone, this is Gary Kayye, and I'm kind of giving you a behind the scenes look. This is actually my studio. There's my green screen. There's my computer. This is all my stuff. This is where also I do my testing. Poly just sent me a new system that they haven't even introduced yet. They want me to test before they introduce it. Hey, as you know, we introduced a virtual events platform called LAVNCH back in March. A lot of companies are using LAVNCH to do their own events. It takes analog events and turns them into digital virtual events. It's a complete platform. It's not just a webinar. It's not just taking an event and putting it into a webinar platform. It's a full-on virtual events platform we developed with the help of Zoom. And we have our own virtual event. As you know, we called it Launch Week. The first launch week was the end of April. We had over 10,000 registrations that week. We're excited about that. We issued over 8,000 CTS credits. Launch Week 2 is next week, starting June 22nd. I want you to attend. So I want you to use that URL that's down below and click on it and register. It's free. You get CTS credits. We're giving away free prizes all day long each day. You're going to want to join to get some of those. Plus, you get CTS credits. And we divided each day into a different topic. So we have UCC days, day 1, UCC topics. Day 2 is ProAV Day. It's going to be all about new ProAV products and technology and things you need to look for over the summer. Wednesday, I'm going to talk to you about in just a second. I'm going to come back to that. Thursday is Edtech Day. That day is going to focus specifically on how you can make K through 12 and higher education institutions ready for COVID-19. When the students come back in the fall, we're going to give you very specific details. We have a bunch of experts coming on, and each one of these days, it's not being taught just by me. It's by experts in the industry and outside the industry. So EdTech Day is going to be someone from the University of Nebraska. We're going to have Craig Park, who's a design consultant. We're going to have some really cool speakers. You can see the whole agenda by clicking on the link and reviewing everything. Everything is free, by the way, and CTS credits. Friday is Digital Signage Day. If you're interested in digital signage, and one cool thing we're going to do on Friday is we're going to teach you exactly how to get into the programmatic part of digital signage to finance digital signage networks. So we're going to say, go to a company like a university and say, here, we're going to put in this digital signage network for you, and here's how we're going to pay for it. And we're going to help you get it paid for with programmatic advertising. And we're going to tell you who the company is you need to partner with and where the revenue share comes from. Now, Wednesday is really cool because Wednesday is going to be New Tech Day. It's a brand new day. All it's going to be is after my keynote, which is the state of the UCC industry, and I'm going to talk about sort of what's going on in UCC. After that, we're going to just go through new products and just introduce you to new products and new technology. We're going to talk about the industry's first standard for AV over IP, for example. We're going to talk about a bunch of new UCC and AV products and a couple of new digital science products too. So all of this, you can register with the link below. It's Launch Week 2. It's all free. It starts next week, Monday, June 22nd. Please register right away. I'll be online. We have Q&A. We have live chat with me. We also have polling, and we have prizes and CTS credits. So why wouldn't you join? Sign up, register, no cost. Go ahead and register. Register before the days get full because UCC Day, ProAV Day, and Digital Signage Days will definitely fill up. So register now.